In this tutorial, I'll show you how to measure position size in TradingView. By the end, you'll be able to use TradingView's built-in long and short position tools to calculate the exact trade quantity based on your account size, chosen risk, and stop loss, and see how changes affect your risk to reward all in real time. First, locate the tool in the left sidebar, open the Forecasting and Measurement Tools group, then choose Long Position for a buy setup or Short Position for a sell setup. Click once on your chart to place it. You'll see a box appear with 3 key levels: entry in the middle, stop loss on one side, and take profit on the other. Next, configure the settings. Double-click the position tool you just placed to open the settings dialog. This opens the controls you'll use to make accurate calculations. Now, let's enter your account size. In the settings, find the field for your total trading capital and type in the full amount you're trading with. This value is used to convert your chosen risk into an exact position size, so make sure it reflects your real trading capital for this calculation. After that, set your risk level. In the risk field, type the percentage you're willing to risk per trade, such as 1 or 2, or enter a specific currency amount if you prefer a fixed dollar risk. This number represents the maximum you're prepared to lose if your stop loss is hit. Don't worry, this tool is for measurement only, it doesn't place live orders. You're simply defining the loss limit the position size should respect. Next, set your entry, stop, and target. In the settings dialog, enter your planned entry price, your stop loss level, and your take profit level. Entry is where you intend to open the trade. Stop loss is the price that exits the trade if it moves against you. Take profit is where you want to close the trade in profit. Use exact prices that match your setup so the size calculation is accurate. At this point, calculate the quantity. The tool automatically displays the quantity or size field. This is the precise number of units, shares, or contracts to trade, so that if price hits your stop loss, your loss stays within the risk you set. You don't need to do any manual math. As long as your account size, risk, entry, and stop are filled in, the QA or size value is your position size. Finally, adjust visually. Back on the chart, drag the stop loss and take profit lines to new levels and watch the numbers update instantly. And as you move the stop farther away from entry, the required quantity will decrease to keep your risk constant. Move the stop closer and the quantity will increase. You'll also see the risk to reward ratio change as you reposition the take profit. This lets you quickly test different exit placements and immediately see how they affect both your position size and your potential reward relative to your risk. If you need to refine any value, double-click the tool again to reopen the settings and confirm your account size, risk percentage, or currency amount, and your exact entry, stop, and target. The calculation updates as soon as you make a change, so what you see on screen is always aligned with your risk rules. Once that's done, you now have an accurate position size measured directly on your TradingView chart, all matched to your account size, your chosen risk, and your stop loss distance. You can confidently use the displayed quantity or size when placing your order with your broker, and you can visually fine-tune your stop and target to maintain the risk to reward you want. That completes the process. Your position size is now measured correctly and updates live as you adjust your levels. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.